Hey guys, welcome back to the Lazy Tech Guys, and today I wanted to go over what we do with the phone when we first take it out of the box or you reformat it. As you know, we are starting from scratch, so we pulled all our phones off the shelf and we're formatting them back to a factory state and then running them back up. So the first thing that we do once we get it, we run through that process of formatting and it comes on. The first thing you usually ask, you get into it and you've got to set up your connection to your wireless. We do that. In that process, we set up a static IP address. We'll leave a link to show you how to do that. Then the next thing is, once we do that, once it's connected, we jump onto the Play Store and we go to Settings and we turn off automatic updates. Then we turn the sound off and we turn the brightness off. Those are the first few steps that we do just to get the phone ready. After we do that, then we take our phone and we install. We go to the Play Store and we download the program called VM Lite VNC. It's a remote software to access your phone from your computer. We also, before we do anything else, once we get that installed on the phones, while that's going, we go and download this VNC viewer, and we also go and download this VM Lite Android app controller for our unrooted phones. So once we get all that downloaded and set up, we plug our phone into our USB connection. Oh, before we get to do all that, I misspoke there. Before we do all that, we set up the phone into debugging mode. If you don't set up in debugging mode, then your phone will not access. So that is something that you have to make sure you do as well. We'll leave a link on that, which this phone should already be in debugging mode. So once you do that, you make sure that your phone's on debugging mode. You come in here and you open on your phone, you open the VM Lite software, and you should just have a start, server is stopped. If you click on that start, it's just going to tell you to load it from your computer. If your phone is not rooted, if it's rooted, it's going to take off and run and going to give you your IP addresses. Since this phone is unrooted, we have to open up this VM Lite software and hit USB connect. You select your port numbers, and we're just going to use default for now to get that going. And then you'll get your dollar symbol and you'll get the serial number. Then you just hit start your VM Lite server. You will see on your phone, it will say stop the server, and it will say server is running with the IP information, and you'll also see server running here. From that point, you can disconnect your phone. You no longer need that on the USB charger. It is accessible, and you can close this program. So from there, we can then open up our service. Now, if you haven't ever ran this before, you will need to type in your IP address and your port number, just like it shows here on your phone, up in here in this, right up here, and hit enter. That will allow you to access your phone. From there, we can control the phone just like we would if we were sitting there. So I love the service for that. Now, I will warn you, the VM Lite software is $9.99 per phone, but I do like it because you can load an awful lot of phones and makes life a whole lot easier. Now, I will make some videos for you guys on how to do some free remote software. I will get those made for you, and I will just upload them. I'm not going to make them one of our Saturday videos. With that being said, you're also going to see probably on Sunday several videos loading up. I'm going to do those, send those out on Sundays. Those are going to be the videos that we're linking to, like the card videos that you see up in the card for suggested that we don't want to do for our Saturday video, but we feel like some people might need them. So those, you'll see those on Sundays. You're more than free. Please watch them if they'll be of use to you. But that's what those are for our regular subscribers. That's what we're doing, is some informational videos that is actually not going to be our normal Saturday video. Just so you guys are aware of what's going on and why you see those loading up. Anyway, from that point, guys, that is it. One more quick thing is that if your phone is not rooted and you reboot it, you will have to go through this process again. That is the one thing I don't like about VM Lite, is you'll have to run through this process again. So we are going to set up our power supply to run 6 hours on, 6 hours off. Hopefully that'll be enough to keep the phones charged and let them drain almost down to nothing, but without them shutting off. And we're going to so we're going to test that from there and see how that works out for us. So anyway, guys, I hope this video helps you. Please hit that like button if it does. Make comments. We greatly appreciate any comment that you may have. If you have a suggestion on a better app, we are all ears. I would love to hear it. And remember to hit that subscribe button. That will help us keep making videos for you and will help you get the future videos. And remember, the day's what you make it. So let's make it a good one.